Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So today the plan of attack is to pull this out. Obviously it's pretty rusty and disgusting, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by pulling the door off, cutting all the spot welds, and working on getting that piece off. So let's do it. Alright, so all the rust is now cut out and it's time to roll it outside, sandblast it real quick so I've got, clean metal in there, and yeah, go from there. Okay, so it's all blasted. I'm going to treat it and go ahead and start doing the patch panel where I cut that little square out and start getting that other piece on there. So here we go. So I just realized that the battery died, but I wanted you guys to see that this is in. Really happy with that. Now I'm going to come back around, not today, but another day, and hit these with a spot welder so that it actually, sucks in like it's supposed to. But, overall, I'm really happy with that. Well, I'm definitely happy with the progress that I made today. I was able to get that all installed. The last little bit to that is going to be spot welding everything and making sure that that panel is final secure. But yeah, forward progress is always a good thing. So I think the plan for the next day, I'm going to start working on the other side. I've still got to do the front piece on the passenger side, and I've got to do the passenger side cab corner. But little by little, I'm going to get there. So I know I've got to order some cab mounts, and so I think we're going to get that done so we can just get those on here as well. Once we pull the cab off, that'll be a lot easier to do. So yeah, anyway, I really appreciate you guys checking out the video. Catch you next time.